To share HDMI output from the DJI O3 Air unit or Avata 1 or Avata 2, whether you're using Goggles 2 or Goggles 3, you'll need to use the DJI RC Pro. In the main settings app, go to the display, scroll down to FPV Live View, and then touch that to turn it on, then tap OK. You'll have to do this every time you restart the RC Pro if you want to share live view. After you've connected the USB-C cable to the RC Pro and the goggles, connect a mini HDMI to HDMI cable to your monitor. If you want to share it to your computer as an input for a live stream, you'll need a capture card like this one. But for now, I'm just sharing it to a monitor. I'm going to turn on the drone. And then on the RC Pro, I should just be able to hit Go Fly once that comes up. And now we can see what the O3 Air unit is seeing on this monitor.